Welcome to Classes with BS, a new session of History of Odisha GK. Let's start the class. Question number 1. When did Bhubaneswar become the capital city of Odisha? Option number A 1936, option number B 1940, option number C 1945, option number D 1948. Correct answer is option number D 1948. Next, question number 2. Which of the following is the only UNESCO heritage site in Odisha? Option number A, Sun Temple, Konark. Option number B, Chilika Lake. Option number C, Hirakud Dam. Option number D, Jagannath Puri Temple. Correct answer is option number A, Sun Temple, Konark. Next, question number 3. Ma Mangala Temple of Kakatpuru in Puri district was built by option number A, Varaha Kesari, option number B, Nrupa Kesari, option number C, Markata Kesari, option number D, Aranga Bhimadevo. Correct answer is Varaha Kesari, option number A. Question number 4. What is Devamali about Odisha is? Option number A famous folk dance. Option number B, highest mountain peak. Option number C, a famous folk music. Option number D, tribal group in eastern Odisha. Correct answer is option number B, highest mountain peak. Question number 5. Who among the following was the first Odia to become Supreme Court judge? Option number A, Arjit Pasayat. Option number B, Ranganath Mishra. Option number C, Indrajit Roy. Option number D, Gati Krishna Mishra. Correct answer option number B, Ranganath Mishra. Question number 6. Which of the following is considered to be the first port of Odisha? Option number A, Dhamara. Option number B, Kirtania. Option number C, Chandbali. Option number D, Paradip. Correct answer option number C, Chandbali. Question number 7. Who among the following is responsible for the effective implementation of Sarva Shiksha Abhijan in Odisha? Option number A, OSCPA, OSEPA. Option number B, OSSTA. Option number C, DEE. Option number D, BSE. Correct answer is option number A, OSCPA. Question number 8. Who among the following is popularly known as the Grand Old Man of Odisha? Option number A, Gopabandhu Das. Option number B, Fakir Mohan Senapati. Option number C, Madhusudan Das. Option number D, Gauri Shankar Rai. Correct answer is option number C, Madhusudan Das. Question number 9. Odisha State Maritime Museum is located at option number A, Cuttack. Option number B, Bhubaneswar. Option number C, Baleshwar. Option number D, Gopalpur. Correct answer option number A, Cuttack. Question number 10. First Odia to win Kendriya Sahitya Academy Award. Option number A, Gopinath Mahanti. ऑप्शन नंबर बी सदाशिव मिश्र, ऑप्शन नंबर सी सुरेंद्र महांती, ऑप्शन नंबर डी कान्हूचरण महांती। करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर ए गोपीनाथ महांती। क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 इन व्हिच ईयर कला पहाड़ इन्वाडेड ओडिशा? ऑप्शन नंबर ए 1645, ऑप्शन नंबर बी 1647, ऑप्शन नंबर सी 1567, ऑप्शन नंबर डी 1576। करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर सी 1567। Question number 12. Who is the first Odia international cricket player? Option number A Debashish Mohanty, option number B Shivasundar Das, option number C Rajiv Biswal, option number D Sanjay Raul. Option number A Debashish Mohanty is the correct answer. Question number 13. Bande Utkala Janani, the state song of Odisha is composed by option number A Lakshmikanta Mahapatra, option number B Madhusudan Rao, option number C Mayadhar Mansingh, option number D Radhanath Roy. Correct answer option number A Lakshmikanta Mahapatra. Question number 14. Who among the following had the first martyr of Odisha sacrificed his life fighting against the British in 1804? Option number A Pavitra Mohan Pradhan, option number B Jaykrishna Rajgur, option number C Baji Raut, option number D Surendra Sai. Correct answer Jaykrishna Rajgur, option number B. Question number 15. Which of the following tribes constitute the largest group among the tribe population in Odisha? Option number A Paraja, option number B Ganda, option number C Kandhaj, option number D Sauraj. Correct answer option number C Kandhas. Question number 16. Sadhanara Pathe is an autobiography written by option number A Fakir Mohan Senapati, option number B Dr. Hare Krishna Mahatab, option number C Kunja Bihari Das, option number D Ravi Singh. Correct answer option number B Dr. Hare Krishna Mahatab. Question number 17. Who was the leader of the popular Khurdha rebellion? Option number A Bakshi Jagabandhu, option number B Jairaj Guru, option number C Madho Singh, option number D Lakshman Nayak. Correct answer Bakshi Jagabandhu, option number A. Question number 18. Which book is still followed for the preparation of Panjika in Odisha? Option number A Madala Panji, option number B Siddhanta Darpan, option number C Gupta Chintamani, option number D none of these. Correct answer Siddhanta Darpan, option number B. Question number 19. Who is known as Mother Teresa of Odisha? Option number A Rama Devi, option number B Malati Chaudhary, option number C Kuntala Kumari Sawat, option number D Sarala Devi. Correct answer option number A Rama Devi. Question number 20. Which one of the following is the first Odia novel ऑप्शन नंबर ए माटीर कथा, ऑप्शन नंबर बी पद्ममाली, ऑप्शन नंबर सी बाबाजी, ऑप्शन नंबर डी नन ऑफ दिस। करेक्ट आंसर ऑप्शन नंबर बी पद्ममाली। क्वेश्चन नंबर 20, हु इज पॉपुलरली नोन एज उत्कल केसरी इन ओडिशा? ऑप्शन नंबर ए हरेकृष्ण महताब, ऑप्शन नंबर बी गौरी शंकर राय, ऑप्शन नंबर सी पद्मचरण पट्टनायक, ऑप्शन नंबर डी बिजू पट्टनायक। करेक्ट आंसर हरेकृष्ण महताब, ऑप्शन नंबर ए। क्वेश्चन नंबर 22, सुकिंदा वैली इन ओडिशा is famous for ऑप्शन नंबर ए आयरन, ऑप्शन नंबर बी निकेल, ऑप्शन नंबर सी क्रोमाइट, ऑप्शन नंबर डी कॉपर। करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर सी क्रोमाइट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 23, हु इज द राइटर ऑफ गोविंद चंद्र टीका? ऑप्शन नंबर ए जगन्नाथ दास, ऑप्शन नंबर बी अच्युतानंद दास, ऑप्शन नंबर सी बलराम दास, ऑप्शन नंबर डी यशवंत दास। करेक्ट आंसर ऑप्शन नंबर डी यशवंत दास। क्वेश्चन नंबर 24, the tribal language that has the most significant number of speakers? ऑप्शन नंबर ए कुई, ऑप्शन नंबर बी मुंडारी, ऑप्शन नंबर सी कंध, ऑप्शन नंबर डी सांताली। करेक्ट आंसर ऑप्शन नंबर डी सांताली। क्वेश्चन नंबर 25, हु हैज रिटेन द प्रेयर आहे दयामय विश्व बिहारी? ऑप्शन नंबर ए अविनाश महापात्र, ऑप्शन नंबर बी रामकृष्ण नंद, ऑप्शन नंबर सी रामचंद्र मिश्र, ऑप्शन नंबर डी सत्यजीत बराड़। करेक्ट आंसर ऑप्शन नंबर बी रामकृष्ण नंद। क्वेश्चन नंबर 26, the original name of Saint Chaitanya was ऑप्शन नंबर ए विश्वरूप, ऑप्शन नंबर बी गंगाधर, ऑप्शन नंबर सी विश्वंभर, ऑप्शन नंबर डी रूपेश्वर। करेक्ट आंसर ऑप्शन नंबर सी विश्वंभर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 27, what percentage of Odisha state land is covered by forest? ऑप्शन नंबर ए 33.3%, ऑप्शन नंबर बी 27.4%, ऑप्शन नंबर सी 31.38%, ऑप्शन नंबर डी 32.4%। करेक्ट आंसर ऑप्शन नंबर ए 33.3%। The Gajapatis were a medieval Hindu dynasty that ruled over Kalinga from option number A 1334 to 1441, option number B 1434 to 1467, option number C 1534 to 1541, option number D 1434 to 1541। correct answer option number D 1434 to 1541। question number 29, the kingdom of Odisha that has zenith of glory under which dynasty? option number A Ganga dynasty, option number B Bhoi dynasty, option number C Mukunda Deva, option number D Mughal। correct answer option number A Ganga dynasty। question number 30, the great poet Jayadeva flourished during which dynasty in Odisha? option number A Gajapati, ऑप्शन नंबर बी गंगा, ऑप्शन नंबर सी भोई, ऑप्शन नंबर डी मुकुंद देव। करेक्ट आंसर ऑप्शन नंबर बी गंगा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 31, which Ganga ruler built the world famous Konark temple? Narasimha Deva first, option number A, option number B Bhanu Deva fourth, option number C Chodaganga Deva, option number D Rajraj Deva। करेक्ट आंसर नरसिम्हा देव फर्स्ट, ऑप्शन नंबर ए। क्वेश्चन नंबर 32, हु बिल्ट द वेल डेकोरेटेड एंड स्कल्पचर्ड टेम्पल ऑफ कोणार्क? ऑप्शन नंबर ए अनंग भीम देव वन, ऑप्शन नंबर बी नरसिम्हा देव फर्स्ट, ऑप्शन नंबर सी नरसिम्हा देव सेकंड, ऑप्शन नंबर डी नरसिम्हा देव थर्ड। करेक्ट आंसर ऑप्शन नंबर बी नरसिम्हा देव फर्स्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 33, Sri Chaitanya, the famous Vaishnav saint of Bengal, had come to Odisha during the reign of ऑप्शन नंबर ए प्रताप रुद्र देव, ऑप्शन नंबर बी कपिलेंद्र देव, ऑप्शन नंबर सी चोड़गंगा देव, ऑप्शन नंबर डी राजराज देव फर्स्ट। करेक्ट आंसर ऑप्शन नंबर ए प्रताप रुद्र देव। क्वेश्चन नंबर 34, Kual Kutab Shah invaded Odisha during the reign of which ruler? करेक्ट आंसर ऑप्शन नंबर ए प्रताप रुद्र देव। क्वेश्चन नंबर 35, what were the provinces known in Odisha during the period of the Ganga dynasty? ऑप्शन नंबर ए दौबरिका, ऑप्शन नंबर बी पांचाली, ऑप्शन नंबर सी भोगो, ऑप्शन नंबर डी विसायस। करेक्ट आंसर ऑप्शन नंबर डी विसायस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 36, Lingaraj temple at Bhubaneswar was built in dash architecture? ऑप्शन नंबर ए नागरा स्टाइल, ऑप्शन नंबर बी बेसरा स्टाइल, ऑप्शन नंबर सी द्राविडियन स्टाइल, ऑप्शन नंबर डी कलिंग स्टाइल। करेक्ट आंसर ऑप्शन नंबर डी कलिंग स्टाइल। Which of the following has become the first to be 100% solar powered village in Odisha? ऑप्शन नंबर ए बाला, ऑप्शन नंबर बी बादापुर, ऑप्शन नंबर सी कांजेल, ऑप्शन नंबर डी बारीपथा। करेक्ट आंसर ऑप्शन नंबर डी बारीपथा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 38, Kalinga's king Kharavela was associated with which of the following dynasty? ऑप्शन नंबर ए नंदा, ऑप्शन नंबर बी मौर्य, ऑप्शन नंबर सी चेदी, ऑप्शन नंबर डी सातवाहन। करेक्ट आंसर ऑप्शन नंबर सी चेदी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 39, which is Odisha's state tree? ऑप्शन नंबर ए चिनार ट्री, ऑप्शन नंबर बी इंडियन फ्लैग ट्री, ऑप्शन नंबर सी साल ट्री, ऑप्शन नंबर डी कोकोनट ट्री। करेक्ट आंसर ऑप्शन नंबर बी इंडियन फ्लैग ट्री। क्वेश्चन नंबर 40, what is the name of the first film of Odisha? ऑप्शन नंबर ए सीता विवाह, ऑप्शन नंबर बी आलमारा, ऑप्शन नंबर सी नुआ बोहू, ऑप्शन नंबर डी ललिता। करेक्ट आंसर ऑप्शन नंबर ए सीता विवाह। क्वेश्चन नंबर 41, Biju Patnaik Hockey Stadium is situated in which of the following places of Odisha? ऑप्शन नंबर ए राउरकेला, ऑप्शन नंबर बी भुवनेश्वर, ऑप्शन नंबर सी बालेश्वर, ऑप्शन नंबर डी कटक। करेक्ट आंसर ऑप्शन नंबर ए राउरकेला। क्वेश्चन नंबर 42, the title Kavi Chandra belongs to which of the following poets? ऑप्शन नंबर ए कालीचरण पट्टनायक, ऑप्शन नंबर बी आनंद शंकर राय, ऑप्शन नंबर सी गोदावरी महापात्र, ऑप्शन नंबर डी जयंत महापात्र। करेक्ट आंसर ऑप्शन नंबर ए कालीचरण पट्टनायक। क्वेश्चन नंबर 43. Panchayati Raj system was introduced in Odisha in the year. Option number A 1949, option number B 1951, option number C 1955, option number D 1961. Correct answer option number D 1961. Question number 44. Which of the following caves of Odisha is a limestone cave? Option number A Ratnagiri cave, option number B Bora cave, option number C Gupteshwar cave, option number D none of these. Correct answer option number C Gupteshwar cave. Question number 45. Who is the writer of the famous play Bhato? Option number A Sarala Das, option number B Jagan Mohan Leela, option number C Sudarshana Patnaik, option number D Kalicharan Patnaik. Correct answer option number D Kalicharan Patnaik. Question number 46. The climate of Odisha is a type of tropical, option number B subtropical, option number C coastal, option number D none of these. Correct answer option number A tropical. Question number 47. Who was the first woman to be elected to the Odisha Legislative Assembly? Option number A Sarala Devi, option number B Rama Devi, option number C Malati Devi, option number D Sarojini Devi. Correct answer option number A Sarala Devi. Question number 48. Who was the first martyr of Odisha? Option number A Surendra Sai, option number B Jaykrishna Rajguru Mahapatra, option number C Chakhi Khuntia, option number D Dora Bisoi. Correct answer option number B Jaykrishna Rajguru Mahapatra. Question number 49. Which of the following ancient port was situated near Baleshwar? Option number A Kangara, option number B Kosamba, option number C Katikardam, option number D Nanigaina. Correct answer option number B Kosamba. Question number 50. Odisha has launched which mobile app for streaming supply chain management take home ration? Option number A Mo Chatua, option number B E Kalika, option number C Mo Sisu, option number D E Manadeya. Correct answer is option number A Mo Chatua. Question number 51. The 15th edition of Tosali National Craft Mela was inaugurated in which city of Odisha? Option number A Jaleshwar, option number B Paradip, option number C Bhubaneswar, option number D Konark. Correct answer option number C Bhubaneswar. Question number 52. The Geological Survey of India, which has started a drive to tag which species of turtle in Odisha? Option number A leatherback, option number B green turtle, option number C hawksbill, option number D olive ridley. Correct answer is option number D olive ridley. Question number 53. Odisha has launched which initiative to receive and transform the largest water body in the capital city? Option number A Clean Nirmal Jhar, option number B Clean Kathajodi, option number C clean Bindusagar. Option number D, clean Dayasagar. Correct answer, option number C, clean Bindusagar. Question number 54. India's first fire park has been established in which of the following cities of Odisha? Correct answer is option number B, Bhubaneswar. Question number 55. Which party secured a good majority in Odisha Legislative Assembly after the election in 1937? Option number A, Congress Party. Option number B, United Party. Option number C, Odisha Nationalist Party. Option number D, Independence. Correct answer, option number A, Congress Party. Question number 56. In which year the historic Prajamandal Andolan was held in Odisha province? Option number A, 1923. Option number B, 1937. Option number C, 1817. Option number D, 1857. Correct answer, option number B, 1937. Question number 57. Gopabandhu Das died a premature death in 1928 at the age of option number A, 50. Option number B, 51. Option number C, 56. Option number D, 61. Correct answer, option number A, 50. Question number 58. When was the Odisha language restored in Sambalpur after a long-term demand? Option number A, 1903. Option number B, 1905. Option number C, 1907. Option number D, 1909. Correct answer, option number A, 1903. Question number 58. Sambalpur was annexed by the British government by the policy of option number A, subsidiary alliance. Option number B, permanent settlement. Option number C, divide and rule. Option number D, doctrine lapse. Correct answer is option number D, doctrine lapse. Question number 59. Odisha became a part of the British Empire during the reign of option number A, Warren Hastings. Option number B, Lord Cornwallis. Option number C, Lord William Bentinck. Option number D, Lord Wellesley. Correct answer, option number D, Lord Wellesley. Question number 60. What was the full name of Jairaj Guru? Option number A, Jayadev Rajguru. Option number B, Jay Krishna Rajguru. Option number C, Jayanand Rajguru. Option number D, Jay Madhav Rajguru. Correct answer, option number B, Jay Krishna Rajguru. Question number 61. Odisha government has decided to give a cash award of how much amount to a normal person for marrying a person with disabilities? Option number A, 5 lakhs. Option number B, 3.5 lakhs. Option number C, 2.5 lakhs. Option number D, 2 lakhs. Correct answer, option number C, 2.5 lakhs. Question number 62. The East India Company completed the work of the Jagannath Road from Puri to Dash. Question number A, Cuttack. Option number A, Cuttack. Option number B, Kolkata. Option number C, Chennai. Option number D, Nagpur. Correct answer, option number B, Kolkata. Question number 63. Who was the first Muslim ruler of Odisha? Option number A, Alid Din Bakhtiar. Option number B, Muhammad Said. Option number C, Sobmin Karnai. Option number D, Kutabuddin Aibak. Correct answer, Sobmin Karnai. Question number 64. With the death of Mukunda Deva in 1568 AD, Odisha was annexed by option number A, the Mughal Emperor. Option number B, the Bahmani Sultan. Option number C, the Sultan of Bengal. Option number D, the Sultan of Oudh. Correct answer, option number C, the Sultan of Bengal. Question number 65. Gangeshwar Shiv temple was built by Chodaganga Deva at option number A, Puri. Option number B, C, Jajpur. Option number D, Mukhalingam. Correct answer, option number C, Jajpur. Question number 66. Chodaganga Deva was a devotee of Lord Shiva and also a worshipper of option number A, Shiva Bhubaneswar. Option number B, Shiva Gupteswar. Option number C, Shiva Gokarneswar. Option number D, Shiva Dhabaleswar. Correct answer, option number B, Shiva Gupteswar. Question number 67. The great devotional poet Jayadev was most probably a contemporary of the Ganga king Kamabha. Option number B, Raghava. Option number C, Rajaraja II. Option number D, Ananga Bhima II. Correct answer, option number D, Ananga Bhima II. Question number 68. Anantavarman Chodaganga Deva ruled over Odisha for a long period of option number A, 60 years. Option number B, 70 years. Option number D, 8. Option number C, 80 years. Option number D, 90 years. Correct answer, option number B, 70 years. Question number 69. After the death of Ashoka in 232 BC, which dynasty established in its independent rule in Kalinga? Option number A, Chedi. Option number B, Chera. Option number C, Chola. Option number D, Chalukya. Correct answer, option number A, Chedi. Question number 70. Ashok, the great emperor, became a follower of option number A, Jainism. Option number B, Hinduism. Option number C, Sikhism. Option number D, Buddhism. Correct answer, option number D, Buddhism. Question number 71. Which of the following kingdoms ruled Odisha after the Nanda dynasty? Option number A, Harinak dynasty. Option number B, Sisunga dynasty. Option number C, Chedi dynasty. Option number D, Maurya dynasty. Correct answer, option number D, Maurya dynasty. Question number 72. Which river is known as the lifeline of Ganjam district? Option number A, Mahanadi. Option number B, Baitarani. Option number C, Rusikulya. Option number D, Subarnarekha. Correct answer, option number C, Rusikulya. Question number 73. Rusikulya river originated from Daringbadi hill. Option number A. Option number B, Amarakantaka hill. Option number C, John hill. Option number D, Rajmahal hill. Correct answer, option number A, Daringbadi hill. Question number 74. Which origin of Odisha receives high monsoonal rainfall? Option number A, Firinga plateau. Option number B, Fulbani plateau. Option number C, both A and B. Option number D, none of these. Correct answer, option number C, both A and B. Question number 75. Who built Cuttack city? Option number A, Baraha Kesari. Option number B, Nrupa Kesari. Option number C, Markata Kesari. Option number D, Ananga Bhimadeva. Correct answer, option number B, Nrupa Kesari. Question number 76. Which of the following is called the gem of Odisha culture? Option number A, Mukteswar temple. Option number B, Jagannath temple. Option number C, Lingaraj temple. Option number D, Sun temple. Correct answer, option number A, Mukteswar temple. Question number 77. The Odia poet Sarala Das was contemporary of. Option number A, Govinda Vidyadhar. Option number B, Pratap Rudra Deva. Option number C, Kapilendra Deva. Option number D, none of the above. Correct answer, option number C, Kapilendra Deva. Question number 78. In which year Odisha Vigyan Academy was established? Option number A, 1979. Option number B, 1980. Option number C, 1981. Option number D, 1982. Correct answer, option number C, 1981. Question number 79. Mahalwari system in Odisha was introduced in which of the following districts? Option number A, Jajpur. Option number B, Keonjhar. Option number C, Baleshwar. Option number D, Sambalpur. Correct answer, option number D, Sambalpur. Question number 80. Which of the following is the first woman to win the Arjun Award from Odisha? Option number A, Arundhati Biswal. Option number B, Minati Mahapatra. Option number C, Rajasmita Sahu. Option number D, Nandini Sarangi. Correct answer, option number B, Minati Mahapatra. Question number 81. Which of the following is the highest mountain peak of Odisha? Option number A, Mahendragiri. Option number B, Deomali. Option number C, Malayagiri. Option number D, Gandhamardan. Correct answer, option number B, Deomali. Question number 82. When did the capital of Odisha, Cuttack, shift to Bhubaneswar? Option number A, 1949. Option number B, 2000. Option number C, 2010. Option number D, 1999. Correct answer, option number A, 1949. Question number 83. Who is the author of the book Purnachandra Oriya Bhasakosha? Option number A, Kalindi Chandra Patnaik. Option number B, Gopal Chandra Praharaj. Option number C, Gopabandhu Das. Option number D, Bhagavati Charan Panigrahi. Correct answer, option number B, Gopal Chandra Praharaj. Question number 84. Which district of Odisha has the most irrigation facilities? Option number A, Jharsuguda. Option number B, Cuttack. Option number C, Ganjam. Option number D, Bhadrak. Correct answer, option number C, Ganjam. Question number 85. Duduma waterfall is formed by which river? Option number A, Machakunda. Option number B, Surama. Option number C, Rusikulya. Option number D, Prachi. Correct answer, option number A, Machakunda. Question number 86. National Aluminium Company Limited, NALCO, of Odisha was established in the year of. Option number A 1955, option number B 1966, option number C 1981, option number D 1995. Correct answer option number C 1981. Question number 87. What is the rank of Odisha in coal production? Option number A first, option number B second, option number D third, option number C third, option number D fourth. Correct answer option number B second. Question number 88. Talcher coalfield of Odisha is situated in the valley of which river? Option number A Rusikulya, option number B Brahmani, option number C Baitarani, option number D none of the above. Correct answer option number B Brahmani. Question number 89. Which among the following is the largest tribal group of Odisha? Option number A Kandhaj, option number B Sauraj, option number C Bhumij, option number D Bandaj. Option number A Kandhaj. Question number 90. Who laid the foundation stone of Hirakud hydroelectric power plant? Option number A Dr. Rajendra Prasad, option number B Naveen Patnaik, option number C Biju Patnaik, option number D Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Correct answer option number D Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Question number 91. Odisha Instructional Infrastructure Development Corporation was established in the year. Option number A 1950, option number B 1955, option number C 1962, option number D 1966. Correct answer option number C 1962. Question number 92. Who suggested the separation of the Hindu and the Oriya areas from Bengal? Option number A Lord Amherst, option number B Lord Irwin, option number C Lord Hardinge, option number D Lord Curzon. Correct answer option number D Lord Curzon. Question number 93. How many zones of Southeastern Valley Railway lies in Odisha? Option number A 2, option number B 3, option number C 5, option number D 7. Correct answer option number A 2. Question number 94. How many districts of Odisha come under the tribal population? Option number A 7, option number B 9, option number C 10, option number D 12. Correct answer option number D 12. 95. Question number 95. Which among the following was or were the administrative provinces of Odisha? Option number A Cuttack, option number B Ganjam, option number C Koraput, option number D all of the above. Correct answer option number D all of the above. Question number 96. Who is known as the father of Oriya Prose? Option number A Madhusudan Das, option number B Vishwanath Karam, option number C Fakir Mohan Senapati, option number D Radhanath Roy. Correct answer option number C Fakir Mohan Senapati. Question number 97. Where is the Chandaka Wildlife Sanctuary located? Option number A Bhubaneswar, option number B Cuttack, option number C Anugul, option number D Sambalpur. Correct answer option number A Bhubaneswar. Question number 98. What is the prehistoric name of Odisha? ऑप्शन नंबर ए उत्कल, ऑप्शन नंबर बी कलिंग, ऑप्शन नंबर सी कोसल, ऑप्शन नंबर डी उड्र। करेक्ट आंसर ऑप्शन नंबर डी उड्र। Question number 99. In which year the first Odia film is released? Option number A 1932, option number B 1935, option number C 1936, option number D 1963. Correct answer option number C 1936. Question number 100. The population of Odisha in 1936 is about. Option number A 50 lakh, option number B 82 lakh, option number C 1970 lakh, option number D 1.22 crore. Correct answer is option number B 82 lakh. Test series. Comment your answer in the comment box. To get more videos like this, do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel Classes with BS.